So here we are with a 1987 Toyota Corolla AE90, and it's restored to the bone, I feel, Ashrak. Looking at it, it's a hot red colored car.
And we are inside a cabin that feels really well done.
Yeah.
You can see the dashboard.
Yeah.
Everything feels fresh as possible. It's almost like this car was brand new or near brand new for that matter.
Yeah.
But we've got some little hints that tell us this is not quite stock. Well, apart from the engine, of course.
Yeah.
Like the Motorsport T&D steering wheel here, the works pedals, nice TRD gear knob here.
Yeah.
Kenwood upgraded sound system doubled in down there, and I'm really happy it's not a touchscreen. It's a good old-fashioned kind of, with the dot matrix display kind of unit, which goes very well with a vehicle like this.
Yes.
We've got the air conditioning cooling us nicely.
Yes.
But we've got wind-up windows. So yes, this vehicle isn't all about creature comforts.
Yes.
It's about going fast. And in that sense, when you pull it, wow, I'm just going to downshift for a minute and just show our viewers.
Yeah.
Okay, so can you guess what engine is under the hood of this? I mean, technically if you look at the specs for the AE90, this particular engine was offered, but maybe not in this form. Shall we tell our viewers what it is, Mahena? It's a 4AG, but it is the 20 valve one with the individual throttle bodies, and it is tuned quite well here. We've got an aftermarket exhaust too, which is the sound you can hear there. I'm just going to flow it again.
Nice.
Little pop there too. So as you can see, this is quite a fun car to drive.
No, totally. And Ashrak, it is very rarely that we get to drive a manual car, right?
Exactly, yes.
With a proper stick shift, and this 80s kind of design in here is really nostalgic, to be honest, Ashrak. And as soon as I got in here, it just felt like I was getting into a brand new vehicle from the 80s, you know what I mean? It was brand new and it's like new, just off the factory floor.
See, this is one of those vehicles that just makes you wish you were around at that time.
I know.
Of car buying age, right?
Exactly.
Like you could walk into the showroom and buy something like this.
I know, like it's so nice. Like I know it's not fancy or anything like that, but it's real hardy and nice. We got a lot of fabric. I mean, this was kind of synonymous with the era as well, right?
Oh yes, fabric was very big back then.
Yeah, a lot of Toyotas had a similar kind of interior as well, but we have upgraded seats in the front, and of course the rear seem quite stock, and
got some nice Alpine speakers back there. Another lovely period touch. I love speakers like that, the separate parcel shelf mounted speakers.
Yeah,
that is just awesomeness to the maximum,
Exactly.
Because I'm just going to let the traffic go past.
Hats off to the owner for doing something like this, and making most people on the road smile. I've noticed a lot of heads turning.
Forgot to turn the AC off.
No fuss. Those are the quirks of an older car, and I think working with those and knowing what to do when something goes wrong.
Yep, I'm just going to do a pull here, Mahen. The suspension also, right? It's a little firm, but you don't feel the bumps as such, right? It's very cool. It's comfortable. Yep, right? It's bearable. I mean, the owner tells us that it can be a bit firm at times, and I can believe him too, because yes, it feels a bit firm every now and then, but you've also got kind of like what I would like to call like a go-kart feel to it a bit, Mahen.
Yeah, fair enough.
And before I get hooked and addicted in the seat here, I'm going to give you some seat time, because this is one of those cars that after doing so many EVs and vehicles with EVs and CVTs and hybrids and that kind of thing, this brings back a lot of that old school driving control that petrol heads like us crave for.
Yes, it's nostalgic basically, Ashrak.
It is. It's absolutely awesome.
Cool.
So I'm just gonna pull over somewhere here. Yeah, Mahen is now behind the wheel. How do you feel, Mahen?
I love it, Ashrak. I always love to drive an older vehicle, especially a vehicle from the 80s. And if it's manual and it's a Toyota, I think that's the cherry on top, Ashrak. And it didn't even take me 2-3 seconds to get used to the gear shifting and all that. That's, I think, the beauty of these Toyota vehicles also, Ashrak. And no wonder they are really popular across the world, right? And especially in Sri Lanka. And of course, this has been restored really well, and it's nice to see vehicles like this running on the road, right? And of course there are a few quirks that you have to get used to, especially with older cars, but it's still worth it, you know.
It's always worth it.
And yeah, so Ashok, the owner tells us that some of the parts or most of the parts he has sourced through or within the country.
Yeah,
right?
that's pretty good, you know. I mean, able to find most of the parts for this lovely car
Yes.
within the country rather than having to, you know, hunt overseas and all that. And
My gosh, it's got a lot of urge.
it does, doesn't it? It's very eager.
Yeah.
It just wants to get up and go kind of thing.
Yeah.
And that's the thing about the 4AG, especially this 20 valve one.
Yeah.
It's, you know, it's just one of those engines that loves to rev.
It's a 5-speed manual transmission, Ashok, and I mean, I'm telling you, Ashok, there's nothing like a stick shift, right?
Nothing like a stick shift, exactly. There you are. See how fun it is, my head?
Very nice. Yeah, so it really kind of gets you involved in the driving, right?
It does.
Again, like I also feel it like the go-kart feel.
You
know,
feel it,
it's
right?
a lower down driving position as well, right? And we are here today in Kandy, right? And what's
My
this?
first proper trip to Kandy. Literally trip to Kandy.
Tourist in Kandy. A big thank you to Ashok and his family for all the hospitality, you know. And,
Well, you
showing
paid for
me
your
around.
hospitality with babysitting my children, so
Good point. Good point. That's not as easy as you think it is, guys.
But I know one thing, my kids, especially my son, would love a car like this. Oh my god,
Yeah.
he'd be loving it.
And it's like a hot red color, Ashok. So I mean, really nice. And this is essentially a classic now. And
Yep, this is now a classic because 1987, it's older than me.
yes, and me also.
And so yeah, I mean 1987, and it's definitely over 25 years old. Now, what they call a classic is loosely defined as something 25 or 30 years old. It's definitely over 25, over 30, over 35 too.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's almost 40 basically. It's 39 years old, this car.
But-
And yes, definitely it's a modern classic, I think. That's why it would be called.
If you ask me though, Ashok, now if I had a certain amount of money and I had to choose between a brand new vehicle and this, what would I go with?
Definitely one of these.
Of course, right? Like
Yeah.
the driving pleasure, Ashok, you can tell, right? I mean, I don't fake my emotions, you know that.
Oh, yes, definitely you don't.
Yeah, you see, I'm enjoying this, honestly, right? And
Yeah.
I know I love my AC, but right now we're in a situation where we can't use it for a short while, but still it's okay, right?
Yeah, it's fine.
It doesn't matter.
No, AC means like getting all the engine's power as possible, you know.
Yes, and
We've got a very nice exhaust note too.
yes,
Going on there.
And Ashok, I think we must thank the owner for spending the time to kind of get the car washed and detailed and bring it to us and allowing us to do this review today, right?
Yes, because it's fantastic.
Yes.
And we love that kind of thing, so thank you.
And you
We're
know,
really grateful for
you
that.
know one more thing, Ashok?
Tell me.
The car's color and my shoes.
It matches exactly.
For once, my shoes are matching with something. Yeah, I mean, I really love my drive, Ashok, and I think it is also important to note that if you really want to do something like this, you can. And we have a lot of people like the owner of this vehicle who are interested and who have gone that extra mile to get these cars up to running condition, and hats off to owners like that and individuals who plan to do something like this, right? You can always reach out to people who have already experienced the process, etc. Get some tips, and you won't go wrong, right, Ashok? You can't go wrong.
You can't
Getting
go
a
wrong,
car like
exactly.
this up to this level of, you know, running condition, and it's so nice to be in here as well.
Plus,
Seats
this
are
car-
comfy, everything's.
This car is proof that, I mean, would you have thought that a E90 Corolla
Yeah.
would be turned into a Resto-mod and something that was this pleasing to
Yeah.
drive and with so much of, you know, just
I know, see, it's very
nostalgia
nice.
and atmosphere. So it goes to show that any car can
Any
be
car,
made
yes.
interesting, you know.
Yes.
If you put your heart and soul into it, you do your research. The owner looked at
Yeah.
cars from around the region and
Yeah.
he was inspired by them. We are behind the wheel, so the smiles return very fast.
Yes.
That's the other thing about cars like this. They're just so much fun to drive.
Exactly, Ashok.
Okay, cool.